folks, welcome to my channel, and thanks for liking, sharing, subscribing. And one of the viewers of the Nippon LED headlights had asked me a question like if I have done a bench level test of the LED headlamps. Well, I have done it now, and I'm going to present it to you. And before that, I would like to also explain you a few things. All right. So, folks, so this is the original headlamp unit which I showed you last time in my video. And if you look here carefully, it says here 120 watts. Okay. Now, this 120 watts is actually a misnomer. Okay, that means it tells you, like, if it says 120 watts, you would be thinking, okay, it's going to consume 120 watts of power. Well, if this were to consume 120 watts of power, then there is no meaning in changing the headlamps to these LED lamps. Let me tell you why. So, look at this incandescent headlamp. Okay, so this is the traditional lamp that goes into the car. Okay, so look at this. So now this is a lamp from Bosch. It's a H4 lamp, and if you see, it says here 12 volts, 60 watt by 55 watt. This means the low beam is running at 55 watts and the high beam is running at 60 watts. So if I were to run this incandescent lamp, it would draw 60 watts when I turn on the high beam. Now, if I were to put two of these bulbs together, which is the case, so you have two headlamps, 1 and 2, and if I were to put these two headlamps together, so this is also again the same LED. This is again, sorry, the incandescent lamp from Bosch, and you see here this also says 60 watts. So if I were to put on these two lamps together on the high beam, it's going to consume 120 watts of power. Now, if this box were also to consume 120 watts of power, then where is the efficiency? There is no question of any efficiency, okay? And then it says here low power consumption. How can this have low power consumption? So these two are contradictory. Now, how do you interpret this? Okay, the interpretation is very simple. When this says 120 watts, it means that the luminous flux delivered by these headlamps, okay, is equivalent to 120 watts of luminous flux delivered by the incandescent traditional lamp. And now let's look at the test. ये भी कितना है? 4.1 4.4 एम्प से आ रहा है यार. अभी दूसरा वाला ट्राई कर. अरे आप थोड़ा इधर मत देखो, ठीक है? अभी मैं पकड़ता हूँ इसको. क्या जबरदस्त लाइटिंग है देख. 4.4. अच्छा. Hi folks, so I trust I could finally give you a fair idea of how the energy efficiency of the LED lamps is, and why we should move on to the LED lamps as compared to just sticking along with the halogen lamps. So you can see that there is already a saving of 10 to 12% with respect to the conventional halogen bulb. Oh, by the way, I just wanted to tell you that this awesome video was made possible by the use of the Power Director from Cyberlink. I just downloaded the free version of the software and I'm using it, and it's awesome. I could do a lot of things with it, and there's also a premium paid version. And by the way, I'm not associated with Cyberlink or their affiliates, and I'm not here to promote Power Director, but I just wanted to let you know that I have used this tool because I believe in giving credit where credit is due. All right, so thank you, stay safe and have fun.